Every year, thousands of entrepreneurs search for the perfect business idea, hoping to find an industry that will continue generating demand regardless of economic changes. In this video, we are sharing 7 manufacturing businesses that will make you rich. Number 1. EV battery pack manufacturing. Electric vehicles are transforming transportation across the world, creating enormous demand for reliable battery packs. Every electric car, delivery van, electric bus, forklift, scooter, and commercial vehicle depends on high-quality battery systems that store energy safely and efficiently. Governments are encouraging cleaner transportation through incentives, while businesses continue replacing fuel-powered fleets with electric alternatives. This shift creates opportunities not only for vehicle manufacturers, but also for companies producing battery packs, battery management systems, protective casings, cooling components, and customized energy solutions. Beyond transportation, battery packs are also used in industrial equipment, renewable energy storage, robotics, marine applications, and backup power systems. Although this business requires technical expertise, quality control, and significant investment, the long-term market outlook remains exceptionally strong. As battery technology improves and electric mobility expands worldwide, manufacturers capable of delivering safe, durable, and efficient battery solutions are expected to remain essential suppliers for decades to come. Number 2. Biodegradable food packaging manufacturing. Consumers, restaurants, supermarkets, and governments are steadily moving away from traditional plastic packaging because of growing environmental concerns. As a result, biodegradable food packaging has become one of the fastest-growing manufacturing industries worldwide. Products such as food containers, takeaway boxes, paper cups, compostable plates, cutlery, straws, and packaging films are increasingly replacing single-use plastics. Large restaurant chains, food delivery companies, grocery stores, bakeries, and food manufacturers all require sustainable packaging solutions to meet customer expectations and environmental regulations. Manufacturers can produce packaging using materials such as sugarcane, bagasse, bamboo fiber, cornstarch, recycled paper, and other compostable raw materials. Since food consumption never stops, packaging demand also remains consistent regardless of economic conditions. Businesses that combine environmentally friendly materials with competitive pricing and reliable quality can build long-term contracts with commercial customers while benefiting from the global transition towards sustainable manufacturing. Number 3. Medical disposable products manufacturing. Healthcare is one industry that continues operating regardless of economic cycles, making medical disposable products one of the most dependable manufacturing opportunities available. Hospitals, clinics, laboratories, nursing homes, dental offices, diagnostic centers, and emergency medical services consume enormous quantities of disposable products every single day. Items such as examination gloves, surgical masks, syringes, IV components, protective gowns, specimen containers, disposable drapes, and medical tubing require constant replacement to maintain hygiene and prevent infection. Since these products cannot usually be reused, healthcare providers purchase them continuously throughout the year. An aging global population, expanding healthcare access, and increasing medical procedures continue driving demand across developed and developing countries alike. Success in this industry depends heavily on strict quality standards, regulatory compliance, and consistent manufacturing processes. Companies that establish a reputation for reliability and product safety often secure long-term institutional customers that generate stable, recurring revenue. Number 4. Solar mounting structures manufacturing. The solar energy industry extends far beyond manufacturing solar panels themselves. Every residential rooftop installation, commercial solar project, and utility-scale solar farm requires durable mounting structures that securely hold panels in place for decades. These structures must withstand heavy winds, rain, snow, heat, and changing environmental conditions while maintaining proper panel positioning for maximum energy generation. Manufacturers produce roof mounting systems, ground-mounted frames, tracking structures, support brackets, clamps, rails, and customized installation hardware. As governments and businesses invest billions of dollars into renewable energy infrastructure, demand for these structural components continues expanding across the globe. Unlike technology products that become obsolete quickly, mounting systems remain essential physical infrastructure for every solar installation. Manufacturers capable of delivering corrosion-resistant, precision-engineered products at competitive prices can build strong relationships with solar developers, engineering companies, construction firms, and renewable energy installers operating in rapidly growing international markets. Number 5. Industrial adhesives and sealants manufacturing. Industrial adhesives and sealants are invisible products that quietly hold countless industries together. Instead of using traditional screws, bolts, or welding in every application, manufacturers increasingly rely on advanced adhesives to create stronger, lighter, and more durable products. These materials are used in automotive manufacturing, aerospace, construction, electronics, furniture, packaging, shipbuilding, renewable energy, medical devices, and consumer products. Sealants also play a critical role by preventing water, air, chemicals, dust, and moisture from damaging equipment and buildings. As manufacturers continue developing lightweight materials and more complex designs, demand for specialized bonding solutions continues growing worldwide. Companies often purchase these products repeatedly because production never stops. Manufacturers that focus on high-performance formulas, consistent quality, industry certifications, and application-specific solutions can build long-term partnerships with industrial customers. Since these products are essential in both manufacturing and maintenance, demand remains steady regardless of changing consumer trends. Number 6. Water purification filter cartridge manufacturing. Clean drinking water is one of the world's most essential needs, making water purification products a business with long-term global demand. Homes, offices, schools, hospitals, hotels, restaurants, factories, and municipal facilities all require reliable filtration systems to improve water quality and remove contaminants. Filter cartridges are consumable products that require regular replacement, creating recurring sales instead of one-time purchases. Manufacturers produce sediment filters, activated carbon cartridges, reverse osmosis filters, ultraviolet purification components, and specialized industrial filtration products for different applications. Growing populations, urbanization, stricter water quality regulations, and increasing awareness about health continue driving demand in both developed and emerging markets. Businesses and households cannot simply stop using clean water during economic slowdowns, making this industry relatively resilient. Manufacturers that prioritize filtration efficiency, product reliability, international quality standards, and compatibility with multiple purification systems can establish a strong position in both domestic and export markets. Number 7. Lithium battery energy storage systems manufacturing. Renewable energy generation continues expanding worldwide, but solar panels and wind turbines cannot produce electricity consistently throughout the day. This challenge has created enormous demand for lithium battery energy storage systems that store excess electricity and supply power whenever needed. Energy storage systems are used by homeowners, commercial buildings, factories, hospitals, telecommunications companies, renewable energy farms, and utility providers. They also serve as reliable backup power during grid failures, helping businesses avoid expensive downtime. Manufacturers produce battery cabinets, integrated storage systems, battery management technology, cooling systems, power conversion equipment, and complete energy storage solutions for different capacities. As electricity demand increases and renewable energy adoption accelerates, energy storage has become a critical part of modern infrastructure. Although the industry requires advanced engineering and strict safety standards, companies capable of producing reliable storage systems are positioned to benefit from one of the fastest-growing sectors in the global energy market. If you found this video helpful, then like, share, and subscribe this channel to get future videos. Thank you for watching this video.